Learn how to share your MyFesto projects. Sharing projects has undergone some changes, which we will explain to you in this video. There are two ways to share a project with others. The first option is to change the storage location of a project from private to company. By storing the project under company, the people assigned to your organization have read and write access to the project. To change the storage location, select the project to be moved and select the Move option in the context menu. In the dialog, you can now change the storage location from private to company. You can also select subfolders of the selected storage location. By clicking on Move here, you have now moved the project. There is a second option using the Share function. When sharing, a person outside your organization can be granted access to a project, for example, a Festo sales engineer. To share a project, click on Share in the context menu of the project to be shared. In the Manage Permissions dialog, you can see who the project has already been shared with. By clicking on Add Permission, you can grant other people access to the project. In the dialog that appears, enter the email address of the person with whom you want to share the project. You can grant the person read or write permission. By clicking on Add, an invitation is created which must be accepted by the recipient in order to gain access to the project. As the recipient, you can see the invitations via the Invitations menu item. By clicking on Accept, they accept the invitation and the project can then be accessed via the menu item Shared with Me under the email address of the sharer. You can now click on the project to view the content. The buttons are activated based on the access authorization granted.